Today we're talking about ads.txt or ads.txt or ads.txt. If you don't have any idea what I'm talking about, or you got an alert like the one I'm showing you here, we're just going to briefly talk today about what this is so you better understand what it is and then what you should do about it and how you can easily take care of this issue. So I'm just showing you, in Google Slides, an alert that has been resolved in my AdSense account, but it is an alert that popped up recently. I've started to see more of these on my site with AdSense since the June 2019 or the end of May 2019 update. Generally in the past, AdSense had not required that we have an ads text file uploaded, but for some reason at the end of May, the beginning of June, they just wanted it. And so I got this alert. It said, fix your ads text file. And for me, I'm not super tech savvy. Like I don't do HTML. I don't upload things in cPanel. And I had really shied away from addressing the ads text thing because I was really overwhelmed and maybe intimidated by taking care of it. I didn't understand what it was. You know, it's like the robots.txt. I mean, I don't know what that stuff means. I don't know what to do with it. And so I got this alert and it forced me to have to do something about it. And here's what it is and here's what I did. So what is the ads text file and why does it matter? Well, ads text stands for the authorized digital seller. And what I think people have been doing in the past is they get approved for AdSense or for any other display network, make money situation, and then they take the ads and go put them wherever they want, or they send fake traffic through it so that the publisher is getting paid by the advertiser for fraudulent traffic, for fake clicks, for traffic that the advertiser can't control. It's not what they bought. They wanted to have their ads on a specific site on mamamia.com, and then their ads end up lots of other places that they didn't want, and they end up paying more than they wanted. And so the ads text can only be generally put on a website by a webmaster. For example, just like any other code, they always want you to install the code in the header to go ahead and verify the site, and just to make sure that you're really the owner. It just makes everything more secure and less fraudulent. With the ads text code, though, you don't put it in the header, and this was really intimidating to me because I didn't know how to solve this when I got the alert. And so what I did, though, was found that there was a simple plugin called Ads.txt Manager. It's free. And what it does is inserts the code where it needs to be for you. And I'll just show you really briefly where that is and how that looks in one of my websites. But the Ads.txt Manager is the plugin that I'm using. It's free. It's really, really incredibly easy. But for me, in one of my websites where it is located is in the settings. So if I go to the dashboard, and after I've downloaded it and gotten it ready in the settings, it's just there, and then it brings up a file right here, and I just add the information provided to me by Google or Infolinks or media.net or whoever or whatever. I just add it there and click Save Changes, and then it's done. I don't have to go to my cPanel or PHP or upload files or whatever. I don't know how to do any of that, and I don't care to know how to do any of that. And so this is just a really easy way to update those files. And the second that I went ahead and put the files in here and then click Save Changes, it resolved the alert in Google AdSense for me. So I know this works and it makes it really simple. Before I go, though, I want to just show you briefly. I was really, I guess, intimidated by, I didn't know what these numbers meant. They're just a bunch of numbers. I didn't understand what it was, and so I looked it up, and what this information is just a line of code that indicates the domain, the exchange domain, so who's selling the ads, the seller's account ID, so that's that number, and then how the payments are made, and then any tag ID. So if you look back at these information, you'll see, okay, here are the ad networks, and then here is the publisher ID, and then how they're getting paid, so is it direct or a reseller, and then any other information, a tag ID. So that's just all that information is. There's no real secret or mumbo jumbo about it, and there's no code like this. These lines don't do anything on the site. They don't have any instructions or anything else. It's just site information, so that when the robots are crawling the site to confirm that everything is all good, then this is the information that they will be able to find in the ads text file, and that's the purpose of it. Hey everybody, if you have any more questions about ads text or about installing it on your site or what it means or whatever, let me know your questions in the comments. I'd be happy to answer them or make another video to resolve it. And if this is your first time to the channel, I'm someone who's a beginner, who's new to this whole make money online space, and what I do in this channel is just come on and share everything that I'm learning. And my hope is that somebody will come to this channel who's a beginner, who really wants to get out of their corporate job and move their business to making money full-time online. And you can take a look at the videos that I've got and hopefully come along behind me. Please do me the favor of subscribing. That would be awesome. I'm on the hunt to try and get to 1,000 subscribers this year in 2019. This is one of my goals, and so far I've got 47, which I'm super fired up about. And hey, leave me a comment, thumbs up, anything. I'd love to chat with you. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.